Hello students, my name is Gyanendra Kumar and I am biology educator in India. In this video, we are going to discuss amniocentesis in short. So guys, what is amniocentesis? This amniocentesis is a procedure in which during pregnancy, we will take out amniotic fluid from the mother's womb for for examination of different diseases. So we will take by the guidance of ultrasonography, we will bring out this amniotic fluid from here from the mother's womb and we will study it. So question is that what is use of this study, right? Why is this amniotic fluid, this amniotic fluid is surrounding the baby, you see it's surrounding the baby, right? And this amniotic fluid acts as shock absorber for the growing fetus, and it's also protect fetus from the desiccation, from the dry. Now why we need to do amniocentesis? So amniocentesis we are doing for determination of different genetic disorder. This is the most common significance of amniocentesis for determination of genetic disorder. So generally we do this amniocentesis for if you have to determine genetic disorder, you will do it into the 15 to 20 week of the pregnancy. Between 15 to 20th week of the pregnancy, we will bring it out amniotic fluid, and then we will study cells present in that amniotic fluid. We will study chromosomes of that cells. Yeah, chromosomes of the cells we will study. Diseases like Down syndrome, those women who are conceiving after the age of 35 years, they have their kids have high, that fetus have high risk of the Down syndrome. And in this Down syndrome, 21st chromosome trisomy will be there. Generally each chromosome have 2 copies, but here in the case of Down syndrome, 21st chromosome will become 3 copies. Or it is the disease of hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis. Not only that, in the case of neural tube defect, alpha fetoprotein increases in amniotic fluid. So we can bring it out amniotic fluid and we can study it for alpha fetoprotein also. Yeah, alpha fetoprotein. And not only that, we can go for study of maturation of lung also. So if you have to see maturation of lungs of the fetus, then you have to bring it out amniotic fluid between 32 to 39 week. If fetus have normal maturation of lung, then in that amniotic fluid, ratio of lecithin and sphingomyelin will be more than 2.0. And this amniotic fluid can also amniocentesis, the cells present in that amniotic fluid can also use for determination of sex of the baby. But determination of sex of the baby is illegal in India. Why illegal? Because it's used frequently in India for female feticide. Okay, so it's illegal, sex determination of the female. So in this video we discussed what is amniocentesis, and then we discussed what is significance of amniocentesis, like genetic disorder to study genetic neural tube defect, then maturation of the lung, and then we can use it for determination of sex. Not in India. In India it's illegal. Remaining we'll see in next video. Bye.